Okay, you see that we're taking a binomial here and just squaring the binomial. Can we start by telling you what not to do, what the most common mistake is, and if you make it, you're maybe not really fully paying attention to what I'm saying right now, which is this. When you square it, you don't just square that and then square that for your answer. You don't just get 2x times 2x is 4x squared, negative 6 times negative 6 is positive 36, and then say, oh, there it is, it's C. No, false, false. Okay, let me erase it and let me show you what you actually should do, how you should be thinking of this. Because what does it mean to square something? It means multiply it by itself. And if you're going to multiply something by itself, you're basically saying, for this, we're saying 2x minus 6 times 2x minus 6. And then you can actually see that we should be applying the FOIL method. Okay, so first, this times this, 4x squared. Outer, this times this, negative 12x. Inner, negative 6 times 2x, negative 12x again. And then last, negative 6 times negative 6, negative 36. I'm sorry, positive 36. What did we get? Notice what we got. We got negative 12x and another negative 12x. So when we combine them, we've got 4x squared minus 24x plus 36. Remember the one that we weren't supposed to pick? This one? It matches the correct first term and last term. What it's missing, what that false answer false, what that false answer is missing is the middle term. Okay? It's incorrect because you're not actually getting the middle term. Let me just show you, if you didn't expand it, what you could have done. Okay, you could do what normally is done, or what you were thinking of doing, which is that squared and that squared for the first and last terms. For the middle term, and I've said this before in class, you can do the first term times the last term, 2x times negative 6, negative 12x, and double it. Because notice how here you're getting it once, you're getting it twice. That's going to be the case with all of these when you perfectly square something, to give you that middle term of negative 24x. Where do we see that answer? We see that answer 4x squared minus 24x plus 36. That's answer A. Okay? So let's do that again. Let's look at this one again, or number 29 rather. Let's do that one. And we say, okay, I'm going to do my trick. I'm going to do the trick to get this one without writing it out. Now, you could, and maybe you should, if you're unsure, maybe you should write out 7m plus 5 times 7m plus 5. Okay? You should know that that's really what you're talking about. But I'm going to do the trick. I'm going to say here, take the first term and square it, 7m times 7m, 49m squared. For the middle term, we are doing the two terms multiplied together and doubled. 7m times 5. 7m times 5 is 35m. And then double it to 70m. That's your middle term. And then finally, we square this last term. 5 times 5 is 25. That is a method you can use if you know what you're doing and you're sure you're doing it right. So we get 49m squared plus 70m plus 25, and that is B. And we're done.